Hello guys, you use smartphone Xiaomi Redmi 910. This version 4GB memory and 128GB internal memory. Start unpacking, look completion. In completion we have protected back cover, adapter for charging and USB Type-C cable. That's all completion, okay, and protected back cover in this. Device made of plastic, on the back side triple camera LED, on the front side 6.5-inch display, front camera, on this side slot for 2 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory, on the right side power key and long keys, power key with fingerprint scanner, downside USB Type-C port, speaker and microphone. IPS display, full HD resolution. Open settings, look Android version. About phone, MIUI Global 12.0.5, Android 10. Okay. CPU, we have Snapdragon 662 octa-core processor, 2 GHz CPU speed and GPU Adreno 610. Run demanding game GTA San Andreas, look how this game works on the device. Resume game, max graphic level. Game load and works perfect, without lags and glitches. Very good gameplay in GTA San Andreas. Okay, close this, and now I show you photos on the main quad camera. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.